FRY for the family, great for a hungry crowd. This fryer's 4.5-liter capacity fries large portions of French fries, donuts, fried chicken, homemade chips, mozzarella sticks, and more. Throwing a party, having the holidays at your house, or just have a love fried food? Make sure this fryer is a part of your cooking plans. Bring restaurant quality home, skip takeout and long lines, make restaurant-style appetizers for the whole family in minutes right in your own kitchen. The temperature control dial adjusts easily for precise frying, no extra tools needed. The 1700-watt heating element and air filter fries your favorite foods quickly and evenly. Mess-free meals. Frying foods at home no longer means a splattered mess and lingering oily smell. With this fryer, the frying basket clips to the side so oil can drain easily. Plus, the basket is removable and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Convenient and safe. Excited to see how your food is coming along. With the fryer's lid, complete with the viewing window, you can check the crispiness of your food without opening the fryer. The magnetic breakaway cord prevents spills and accidents, so you can worry less about safety and concentrate more on what you're cooking up. Resources: Settle-approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability, and 1-year assurance provided by Chefman, so you can purchase worry-free. We've got your back. For information on how to use your product, scroll down for a PDF user guide. 1700 watts/120 volts. Top reviews from the United States. Finally, I got something useful for my mother-in-law. My mother-in-law is the absolute best. She's just everything you want in an in-law. She does so much for everyone, and I always want to surprise and treat her to things that make her life easier or happier. I never feel like I hit the mark though. She enjoys gadgets, so I try kitchen ones, but they need to be easy to remember how to use because she's constantly going. They also have to work and work correctly, which they don't. I once got her an oil sprayer, because hers broke, and it ended up not working. Recently, while all the family was over, she mentioned needing a new deep fryer that can cook for more than 2 people. She was mostly mumbling to herself. So my husband and I got her this one. She was surprised but seemed pleased. Then she seemed nervous that it might be too hard to figure out. Well, it wasn't. It was perfect. She was very happy, and it was exactly what was needed. Easy to set up, use, and clean. Made plenty for everyone.